Hi guys, this is Carissa from The Dragon's Gem on Instagram and Etsy. I'm here with another short review for you. We're going to do an unboxing of two cabochons from Instagram seller GemsCabsForSale. That is the word for, not the number 4. Again, that is GemsCabsForSale. I will try to remember to put a link down in the comment or in the section below. Let me cover up my address here. This is how the package has come. I'm not doing very well at hiding my address, but it's just this little packet. I just have two cabochons that I've ordered. And this is one of the cheaper purchases that I've managed to find. This is 2 pieces of what they have listed as Spectralite for $10, but I think in the video it looked like, well, I think on their Instagram listing it looked more like labradorite, which some people can confuse that. Spectralite is a darker stone, more solid, and labradorite has more of a translucence. It's more of a gray base. Nice, another one that's shipped in a nice plastic box with some foam padding. Lots of bubble wrap, so even though the envelope didn't look all that great, you've got this nice box here with these padding. I'll have to double check that invoice, because the way the invoice is written, it says 2 at $10, but maybe 2 was just like the item number. This looks more like labradorite to me than spectralite. So this is a $10 rainbow labradorite, multi-fire labradorite, I think will be the proper term. But yeah, $10 for this. I am completely happy with this price, especially for that color shift. The multicolors, the vibrance of it. The cut is really nice. It's very uniform. The back is level. So this is the back of it. And you can see it's just a very nice level. Pardon my fingernails. I was outside in the backyard doing jewelry photography, digging up rocks and rearranging sticks, and I did not look at that before I started filming. But anyway, this is GemsCabsForSale. This is a $10 piece of their labradorite. They did have it listed as spectralite. Again, those two are very easy to mix up. Spectralite is just a much darker stone. I might be wrong. I feel like it's labradorite, not spectralite, but what do I know? I'm not a trained gemologist, lapidarist, so who knows. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram and my Etsy. And if you are going to be in Hot Springs, Arkansas on October 26th, I'm going to be vending and I'll have some jewelry for sale there. I will be sharing a booth with Acid Arrow. She has some really awesome geeky nerd-themed jewelry, as well as some earthy Mother Nature spiritualist stuff. She does some really awesome work, especially with her bead embroidery. Give her a look on Etsy as well. She is she is Acid Arrow on Etsy, and I will try to remember to put a link to her store as well. So we'll be vending together at Pagan Pride Festival in Hot Springs, Arkansas on October 26th, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.